Are precision shoulder screws more precise than regular shoulder screws? Both precision and regular shoulder screws have the unthreaded shank machined to a precise diameter. This dimension determines the mechanical components the shoulder can accommodate, but they are both precision components. Precision shoulders are held to a plus nothing, minus 1/1000ths, and are mainly used for electrical hardware and power transmission components. Regular shoulders are held to minus 2/1000ths to minus 4/1000ths and are suitable for use in machinery and other industrial applications. Manufactured in Indiana, we offer the largest line of shoulder screws available, including 303 and 316 stainless, titanium, Monel, and aluminum. Whether screws are big or small, stock or special, products are made to our customers' quality requirements.